Hello, my kindergarten mathematicians. Math is going to be a little bit different today. You will need this page out of your book, and hopefully your grown-up has that ready for you. But if not, this is on page 79. You will need pages 79, 80, 81, and 82. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we are just going to do some review of things that we already know, things that we've been working so hard to learn. And then tomorrow it's going to be all by yourself day in math, and you are going to get the chance to show me everything that you know. All right, let me get my pencil. You will need either a pencil, actually, you know what, a crayon would probably be best today. We might even need two different colors. Let me see. Yep, you will need two different colors today, and probably, yep, red and yellow. So why don't you go ahead and pause the video so that you can get what you need. You'll need a red crayon and a yellow crayon. So you go ahead and get that and then push play when you get back. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use my red crayon, and I'm going to start with number 1 star. All right, listen first, and then we're going to work together to make the right choice. Do you remember we have been using these papers here to work on filling in the bubble to make the right choice? All right, number 1 star. Which one shows 3 flowers? Which is the one that shows 3? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which is the one that has 3? If you said C, you are correct. And so see how I'm just filling in the bubble for C and I'm not doing anything with those other bubbles because I said which one shows 3 and it's this one. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's look at number 2, apple. I want you to mark all of the ones that do not show a way to make 5. That sounds tricky, but we're going to do it together, okay? We're going to mark the ones that do not show a way to make 5. All right, let's look at this first choice. Does this show a way to make 5? I see 2 reds and 2 yellows. 2 and 2. Does that make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that shows a way to make 4. We need to mark it because we're supposed to mark the ones that do not show a way to make 5. And that does not show 5. Does this one show 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that one's also 4. We need to mark it because it does not show a way to make 5. It shows 1 red and 3 yellows. And that makes 4. What about this one? 1, 2, 3 reds and 1 yellow. Does that show a way to make 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, no, that does not show a way to make 5. Mark it because it said show the ones that do not show a way to make 5. Let's look at this last one. 1, 2, 3 reds and 2 yellows. 3 and 2. Does that show a way to make 5? Let's count the whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that one does show a way to make 5, so we're not going to mark it. All right, does your paper look like mine? Let's look at number 3, fish. Count the pairs, and then fill in the bubble for the one that shows how many. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs. All right, which one of these choices shows the number 5? Does this show 5? No, that's the number 2. What about B? Does B show 5? No, that's a 3. There it is. There's the choice that shows 5. Fill in the bubble letter D because D shows the number 5 for 5 pairs. All right, let's scoot over here to number 4, heart. Fill in the bubble for the box that has 0 toys in it. Do you see it? Which one has 0 toys? You're right. It's A. Bubble A goes with the box that does not have any toys in it. And the number that stands for none is 0. 0 toys in that box. All right, very good. Let's turn the page. So now I'm on the one that looks like this. The page number at the bottom is should be 80. There's a grown-up there with you, yep. And it has the leaves up at the top, right here for number 5 hand print. We are going to count the leaves and then write the number to show how many. That's going to make me get a pencil again. I choose black this time. All right, here we go. How many leaves here? 1. We're going to write the number 1. Good job. Did you do it? Remember, 1 is fun. Straight line down and then you're done. How many leaves here? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write 3 to show 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. Make sure your 3 looks like mine. That goes the right way. Right, let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves. Let's write a 4. Down and over. Down some more. That's the way we make a 4. And let's count these. 1, 2. Around and back on a railroad track. You made a 2, just like that. All right, did you write those numbers? Very good. Are those numbers in order? I'm just curious. 1, 3, 4, 2. Is that how we count? No, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4 goes in order. Those numbers are all mixed up. Number 6, coffee cup, my favorite. All right, let's count the butterflies, and then we're going to color the boxes to show how many. How many butterflies? 1, 2. So we're going to color 2 boxes. That's another way to show how many. All right, did you do it? Remember, you can always pause the video if Mrs. Barnard is going too fast. Pause so you can catch up, and then push play when you're ready to work again. All right, for number 7, Christmas tree, we're going to count the dots and then draw counters in this box to show the same number of dots. Okay, count the dots first. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to draw 4 counters in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have the same number of counters as there are dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Right. Very good. Next page. Okay. Here we go. For number 8 flag, we are going to write the numbers 0 through 5 in order, okay? And then there are these little snowflakes up at the top to help us remember the numbers. Let's see, are there any snowflakes above this space? No, we know that 0 comes first. So we're gonna write 0, 1, see, 1 snowflake there, so there goes the number 1. What number comes next when we count in order? 0, 1, 2. Let's write a 2. Round and back. Make sure your 2 is going the right way. 0, 1, 2, 3. And there are the 3 snowflakes. I bet this one has 4 snowflakes. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know that 4 comes next when we count in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, over, down some more. That's the way we make a 4. Next is 5. Go across, take a dive, around the bend, and that's a 5. Let's see, did we get the numbers in order? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. All right, remember when I told you you need a red and yellow crayon? Here is where you need that. We are going to color these leaves to show a way to make 5. Do you see this whole group of leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 leaves. That's the whole amount. How can we break that up to make 5 and show it in 2 parts? We're going to color some of the leaves red and some of the leaves yellow. You can do it the same way as me, or you can do it your own way. Just make sure your numbers match your parts. All right, I think I'm going to color 1 red, 2 red. Yeah, and then I'm going to switch to yellow. And you see how I'm not coloring the leaves perfect. I'm not scribbling on my page, but I'm just coloring quickly. I'm going to do the other ones yellow. All right, I used red and yellow to show my 2 parts. Now I have to write the numbers that match my parts. What is my red part? 1, 2. So I have to write the 2. And what is my yellow part? 1, 2, 3. So I have to write the number for the yellow part. 2 and 3. That shows a way to make 5. Did you do it a different way? All right, let's look at the next page. All right, are we looking at number 10, house? We need to count the plates and write the number to show how many. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3. Let's write the number 3 to show 3. Round the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Very good. All right, number 11, flower. Listen first. Count the fruit that's on that plate and then color the apples to show how many. Go ahead. How many fruits are on that plate? Did I trick you? None. There is 0 pieces of fruit on that plate. So how many apples do we color to show how many? We don't color any because there's none on the plate. So we do not color any, and that shows 0. I almost tricked you, didn't I? No, I didn't. All right, I'm going to move my video up here. Number 12, mitten. We need to draw 5 marbles and then write the number to tell how many. So do I have a pencil? I do. All right, so we're going to draw 5 and then write the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you draw 5? Make sure you did 5. Count them. And then write the number to show how many. 5 marbles, so I wrote the number 5. Very good. All right, kindergartners, your homework for this afternoon is to do these pages with your grown-up. I am looking up at the top. It says Topic 1, Reteaching. It has a green trim, and in the book, it's on page 75. So you will need pages 75 and 76, 77, and 78. Grown-ups, the directions are right here on the bottom. Have them do this, and then bring it to the meet tomorrow to show it off. Have some fun practicing. Make sure they are comfortable counting 0 to 5 and writing those numbers 0 through 5. All right, kindergartners, you get that homework done, and I will see you later.